Find dy dx given that y of x, or rather y, so something, is equal to a quotient which is the numerator being x plus 3 and our denominator being the cube root of x squared minus 4. Alright, thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is Namakando Academy. Alright, so let's get started into this. What we're using here is the logarithmic differentiation method for finding the differential coefficient of this particular problem. So what you do is introduce the natural log both sides. Cube root as our denominator of x squared minus 4, then we close. So we maintain our left hand side as natural log of y equal to, for the right hand side it becomes natural log, in parentheses x plus 3 we close minus natural log, but we had to show natural log of cube root of x squared minus 4, like this. So from here, we now take the derivative of both sides. Differentiating the left hand side, we get 1 over y dy dx. This is equal to differentiating the right hand side. So we'll differentiate what we have here. Then after differentiating this part, we'll divide by the same part here, the same one which is x plus 3. So differentiating x plus 3 will simply give us 1. Then say over x plus 3. Then minus. For this part we have here, this will simply give us, so here we simply use the chain rule. Please refer to our videos on the chain rule to know all the necessary processes required for differentiating this part. So differentiating this one, so we use parentheses, we're going to get 2x, sorry, over 3 cube root of x squared minus 4. Then we close, we square this. This is according to chain rule. Then this which we have will divide by the same cube root of x squared minus 4. Then we close. From here, the next step will be 1 over y for left hand side multiplying with dy dx equal to 1 over x plus 3 minus what we have in brackets 2x over 3 this side. Then this is cube root of x squared minus 4 squared, which will multiply with this other one, which is cube root of x squared minus 4. We close. Okay, so this is upon reciprocating. When we change this to multiplication, now close our bracket. We write 1 over y dy dx for left hand side equal to 1 over x plus 3 minus 2x over 3 multiplied by, now here this is squared and that is just the power 1, and squared, as you can see the bases are the same, thus we'll add the exponent. So this will be 2 plus 1, which gives us a 3, and this will therefore mean that the square roots will cancel, the cube roots will cancel, and in brackets we'll be left with x squared minus 4. So we'll keep on writing our left hand side, which will be 1 over x plus 3 minus 2x over, so we expand this, so 3 will multiply with everything inside brackets, so you get 3x squared minus 12. So maintain our left hand side equal to, here we find our common denominator for right hand side, so it should be x plus 3 times 3x squared minus 12. So x plus 3 when divides into our common denominator will be left to 3x squared minus 12 to multiply with 1. So it becomes 3x squared minus 12 minus, when this divides into everything, we'll have 2x to multiply with x plus 3. Now from here we get 1 over y dy dx equal to 3x squared minus 12 minus 2x multiplied with x, we get 2x squared, negative positive negative, 2 times 3 will give us 6x. Then we divide with x plus 3, 3x squared minus 12 inside brackets. So we now have 1 over y dy dx equal to, now 3x squared minus 2x squared will give us x squared, then minus 6x minus 12. Then we divide this by x plus 3 times 3x squared minus 12, which is our common denominator. We close. So from here, we'll make dy dx subject of the formula. So this will be, when we do that, we divide both sides with 1 over y. So we get x squared minus 6x minus 12 over x plus 3, 3x squared minus 12 to multiply, or rather to divide with 1 over y. So this further simplifies to dy dx equal to, so this will be just y multiplying with everything this side, x squared minus 6x minus 12 over x plus 3, then 3x squared minus 12 in brackets. So dy dx will be equal to, so replace back what we have for y. Y according to our question was x plus 3 over cube root of x squared minus 4. Everything here is multiplying with everything inside brackets. So now what happens is that this x plus 3 and that x plus 3 will cancel. So we get dy dx to be equal to x squared minus 6x minus 12 over the product of 3x squared minus 12 times cube root of x squared minus 4. And this is our dy dx. See you in the next discussion.